friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making sheet pan baked eggs. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we need 12 eggs, and for 12 eggs we need the sheet pan that's 17 by 11 inches. And also any toppings you'd like. I just have some chopped green onions and chopped bell peppers. You can also use pieces of ham, shredded cheese, any toppings you like, or no toppings at all. So I'm going to spray the sheet pan with a non-stick cooking spray, or you can also rub it with butter or brush it with oil. Just use any method you like, but you do need to make sure it's greased because otherwise the eggs will stick to it and we don't want them sticking. So now let's crack the eggs in a bowl. So now, once you crack the eggs, let's twist them. So now, once you whisk the eggs, let's pour it in a sheet pan. And some people like to add a little bit of milk or water to the eggs and mix. I don't think that stuff is necessary, but if you like some milk in your eggs, feel free to add. But now let's pour them in a sheet pan. And now add the toppings. So this is chopped bell pepper. And here's chopped green onion. And now let's put it in the oven. So the oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake them until they're cooked. Now the eggs have been baking for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and they're ready. So just make sure they're set everywhere in the middle too. And if they're ready, take them out. And if not, you can just let them bake for longer. They look amazing. Look at these beautiful baked eggs. And now I'll just let them cool down a little bit and I'll try them. So now let's try the sheet pan eggs. I'm so excited about trying it. So a great thing about this setup is you can cut it into squares and then you can store them in the fridge for later. Just, you know, take a square for breakfast. So whenever you want to have some eggs, and you can reheat it in the microwave, and you can also put those squares on a bread to make an egg sandwich. So to cut it, super simple. Here's a square of baked eggs. So they're nicely cooked on the bottom and on top. And now let's try it. Delicious, and it's so easy to make and so healthy. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!